What happens to your body? When you eat eggs every day, by the way, I have a quick question for you. How did the chicken feel after a long day on the farm? Eggs-hausted. Remember the era when anything fat was the enemy? Poor eggs got quite a bad rap then. But fast forward to today, with the keto craze, eggs are making their dazzling comeback. Stock them up, and they're your loyal companions for up to 5 weeks in the fridge without throwing a spoilage tantrum like meat or fish. Before the secret, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button to support our team. Keep up making videos for you. The last point is super important. I will share at the end of the video. One large egg contains approximately 70 calories. It provides 6 grams of protein and 5 grams of fat, with only 2 grams being saturated fat. Eggs have no carbohydrates. They are a good source of vitamin B12, providing 0.5 micrograms per egg. Eggs also contain 1.24 micrograms of vitamin D and 169 milligrams of choline, which supports brain health. Here are 6 scientific ways they help. Number 6. Improved heart health. When it comes to eggs in your ticker, there's a whole lot of chatter. So let's crack this mystery wide open. Yes, eggs come bundled with a cocktail of vitamins, minerals, and let's address the elephant in the room, cholesterol. Number 5. Think clearly brain feeling a bit scrambled lately? Here's an excellent remedy. Eggs are like your brain's secret best friend, packed with the power of holiness, a superstar micronutrient. Number 4. Healthier hair and skin. Eggs might just be your beauty's secret weapon, packed to the brim with B vitamins like B2, B5, and B12. Number 3. Stronger bones. Let's talk vitamin D, the unsung hero of our body's universe. It's not just a multitasker juggling tasks like keeping our blood pressure in check, potentially warding off some nasty villains, and sprinkling positivity over our mental health. Number 2. More full and energized. Ready for a tiny, budget-friendly energy booster? Meet the mighty egg. Number 1. Better vision. Want to give those eyes some superpowers? Let's talk egg yolks. Hidden inside that sunny center are 2 magical allies, lutein and zeaxanthin. Eggs are rich sources of protein, vitamins, and nutrients. They contain saturated fat and cholesterol, which can be concerning for individuals with heart disease or those aiming to avoid certain health challenges. For individuals with heart conditions or concerns about cholesterol, limiting egg yolk consumption is advisable. Substituting egg whites for yolks occasionally can be a cautious approach for maintaining a balanced diet for heart health. So whether you're team yolk, team white, or somewhere in between, there's always a way to enjoy the egg benefits daily. Now, it's your turn. Comment egg, and I will tag your name in next video. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Question: drop a comment below about any topics you'd like me to cover in future videos.